Going on YouTube? 603 Mechanic Vids back with another how-to video. Today we're going to be changing the sway bar link on this 2018 Jeep Renegade. You're going to need a 18mm wrench for most people probably, unless you have this type of ratchet where you can put your Torx bit through the center, which is very convenient. So yeah, your 18 and then a T40, and that will be to go right there, right in that hole, just to hold that stud in place while you loosen the nut up on the top side and then on the back side of the sway bar link as well. And then depending on which brand and which brand you get for your new sway bar link, mine, I'm going to need an 17mm and a number 6 hex bit. So we'll put our 18 on. As well as the T40. You need these to go opposite. There's that. And we'll do the bottom one. A little bit of a tight fit under here on this bottom nut. Always make sure you use jack stands when you're underneath a vehicle like this. It's not worth having a thing fall on you. I see a lot of people on YouTube that just use a floor jack and trust that. You should never just trust the floor jack. You should always have just some jack stands or some type of blocking or anything underneath the car. There's the second nut. As you can see, that sway bar link. Oh, I got it. Typically they're stuck right in there. You can't even pull them out, so you got to jack this up, take a little pressure off. And you can see this is very sloppy and loose. Shouldn't be able to move them around like that. Compared to the new one, I can't even budge it. Either side. So now we'll just throw the new one on. Some of these will come with grease fittings. Make sure you put some grease in them. This one's already greased and sealed, so it's all set. See, now it's not going to line up, so I'm going to have to push down on that sway bar. There we go. So that's all in. Thread our nuts back on. Make sure you use your new nuts. Pretty quick and easy job right here. Most people should be able to do this. I always do the bottom nut first. Get that snugged up. So that's how you remove and install your sway bar link on a Jeep Renegade. This will also work for most other vehicles. They're not too much different for every vehicle. Some of them will have an area to put your wrench right here instead of having where you put like a Torx or a hex bit in. If you guys have rusted nuts and you're having trouble getting it off, I recommend taking like a die grinder and just cut right behind where the so right where this goes through, cut as close as you can to the mount here and just cut it right off, since you're going to be replacing them anyway. I think that's about it for the most part. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out. Give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll keep posting content for you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video.